Most people often assume that winners are loud and boastful. They are frequently seen as individuals who always shine and make a statement. However, the truth is winners are rather quiet and do not always express their success in public. Rather, they work diligently and in the background, achieving their goals without making a huge impact. When you work in silence, the world may forget you. You become more buried in the background and start losing sight of the people who could help you. Friends start to stop calling you or asking how you're doing, and the silence can hurt like anything else. Initially, it hurts, but this is where the rule of self-growth comes into play. You decide on your own path, face challenges alone, and experience growth in the darkest moments. By working quietly, you could be putting yourself at risk of being invisible because the world only values the end result, not the ongoing effort and commitment. The world might applaud and celebrate when you achieve something, but they do not appreciate your process of achieving those goals. You might bleed for years and even have your life in danger, but until the results show, no one truly claps or acknowledges your success. The key is to stop seeking validation from others and clinging to a sense of need for public acknowledgement. It's time to focus on finding your own growth, developing at a steady pace, and enjoying the journey without attaching any importance to the applause or praises. While others might find it amusing or intriguing when you start on your journey, you'll find that people will keep on ignoring you when you set your intentions in motion. In the end, everyone will ask for your advice when you achieve your goals, but that's just the way it is. It's time to embrace the rules and adapt to the challenges in your path. So, what's the real rule? Stay quiet, work smart, let your success be your loudest signal.